Hey, what's up? Aaron Chen here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Gazelle and you're wondering, is this a good way to make a little bit of additional money? How does this website actually work? Is it legit? Which is the most important question, right? So I'm going to review Gazelle and then you can decide whether or not you want to trade in your electronics to make a little bit of money. And then I'm going to show you a better way to make even more money if that's what you're interested in. Okay, now Gazelle is a cool website. It's based in the US, all right, so you must be based in the States. That's the only drawback of Gazelle. If you're outside of the US, you're not going to be able to do it, but it's a cool website that will allow you to basically trade in pretty much any electronic that you have. Okay, so whether it's iPhones, Samsung phones, Google phones, iPads, MacBooks, so it covers a lot of the big brands, right? And all you really do is you basically get in touch with them. You can just come into Gazelle here. You can log in, create an account for free, okay? And then basically what they'll do is you will get an offer. They will send you some package materials where you go package up your electronic device, send it to them. They will inspect it and then they will tell you how much they will pay you for it. And then once they approve the offer and you've approved it on your side, they will literally PayPal you the money. It is that simple, right? Now, if your phone or your iPad or your Google phone or whatever it is isn't in the best condition, then they will say that they will only offer you a certain price, and if you don't want to accept that price, they will ship your phone back to you or your device back to you for free. Okay, so the only drawback here is the time that you're investing in contacting them, sending your device to them, and obviously you don't have your device for that period of time. But the cool thing is the shipping and handling is all free, which is really, really amazing. So basically, you're able to sell your device relatively easily and get a decent price for trading it in. Okay, it's better than excuse me, it's better than it just sitting around not really doing anything for you. So this is a really easy way for you to make a little bit of extra money. It's a very simple process, all right? And it's better than, you kind of having your device just sitting there in your drawer, not really doing anything, and you're wasting money buying new devices, all right? So Gazelle is a very legitimate, cool website that you can use. You can even buy, trade-ins as well if you want for a little bit cheaper. You can come to the buy section and buy, different things for different devices that are, again, trade-ins, right? And you can get them at much cheaper prices. Check out this, right? iPhone XS Max, $288. Again, pretty cheap. Look at this one, $74. This is the iPhone 6s. Again, an older device, but you can get deals at a pretty cheap. Okay, so that's a quick and easy way to make an additional amount of money, right? Now let me show you some additional ways that you can make even more money, right? So if you're wondering how you can start to make money on the internet, right? So Gazelle is obviously one of those ways. It's very easy, low-hanging fruit. You already have a device that you want to sell, again, a Google phone, an iPad, a Samsung, an iPhone, whatever it is, right? But there are other ways to make money too, okay? So one of the other ways, which is really, really, again, a low-hanging fruit way, is a website called Fiverr, okay? So this is a way that you can outsource your services, right? So depending on who you are and what you're trying to do, there are lots of different ways to make money on the internet now, right? Fiverr is one of those easy, low-hanging fruit ways. And basically, it is a freelance website. And look, if you have skills in pretty much anything, graphic design, digital marketing, writing translation, video animation, music, audio, programming, and tech, even lifestyle, like online tutoring, fitness lessons, dance lessons, life coaching, there's so many different things that you can do. You can become a virtual assistant, you can help with market research. Literally, even if you didn't have a skill set, you could still come onto Fiverr and basically freelance for other people all over the world. I buy a lot of services from Fiverr. I've literally spent tens of thousands of dollars on Fiverr getting services from other people. So you can be one of those people if you really wanted to, right? So a great way to supplement your income or really take over your full-time income if that's what you want to do. I mean, if you did it correctly, if you did it right and you worked at it, you could make $2,000-$3,000-$4,000 a month, US dollars, on a website like Fiverr. Okay, so you don't have to go to a full-time day job that way. I mean, the economy is changing and you should really be leveraging things like, Gazelle to make a little bit of extra money, and Fiverr as well. Do things online. This is where the future of the economy is going, right? Now, if you're like, well, Aaron, Fiverr sounds great, but I still don't really necessarily want to freelance my time, because the problem with websites like Fiverr is it's great, and it's low hanging fruit to get you to start earning through the online economy. But the problem is it's still a job, in the sense that you're still tied to projects, okay? And there's still an invisible ceiling of how much money you can make. That means that if you can only invest 8 to 10 hours a day to complete a project for someone on Fiverr who may be living halfway across the world, you're still limited by how much time you can spend earning that money. Does that make sense? So you have to trade time for money. Now, here's a way that I'm going to show you in a second where you don't have to trade time for money. Where, yes, you have to learn the skill set initially, but if you want to scale it, you can use software, you can use ads, you can use automation to scale your time so that you don't have to hire a team in order to make more income. Okay, so let me show you this, right? So this is a product that I sell online. I've generated almost $100,000 with this one product. Okay, now I sell multiples of this product, so you can imagine that I've got multiples of almost $100,000 with other products as well, right? Now what I'm doing here is I'm finding a group of people online that have a problem that they're trying to solve. I help them to find a product that will help them to solve that problem. And all I'm doing is I'm connecting them together. I'm being a great connector. This is the connector model, right? Now, when I connect them together, they find the product, they will buy the product, and I will make a commission on that sale. And so I've made $97,703.16 selling this particular online marketing training program. And this isn't even my product. It's somebody else's product. So I don't even have to create the program. I don't have to do the customer service. I don't have to store it in my garage. Everything is virtual, okay? And when you understand how to be a great connector, you can really scale this business model, and it becomes really, really fun, all right? Now, obviously, it's very different from, just kind of selling your iPhone or your iPad or Samsung Galaxy phone on Gazelle. And it's also very different from Fiverr, because Fiverr, you're just delivering services to clients all over the world. This one here, this is a real business, okay? This is a real skill. It's about understanding how to find the right audience, how to find the right product for that audience, and how to connect them together. And if you would like to learn how to do that, I would love to show you. Obviously, this is the big money, right? This is the life-changing income. Now, if you're ready for that, I've got a free 6-figure workshop that will teach you exactly what this is all about and how you can set up this kind of business and earn from pretty much anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter where you're based. You can be based in Russia, you can be based in the US, you can be based in Australia, you can be based anywhere in Asia, you can be based in China. It doesn't really matter, right? All you need is the skill set, the knowledge, and of course, a laptop, a computer, and an internet connection. That's the most powerful thing, right? A really amazing business, but you have to learn how to do it, right? So go ahead and register for that workshop by clicking below, or on the arrow on the right hand side. On the next page, you're gonna have to enter your email address. And I hope to see you on this workshop, because I'm gonna show you how to generate this kind of income, okay? And then how to scale up by creating multiples of this income. What if you had a few different companies where you're selling their products, and they're giving you $97,000 each time, right? That would be pretty cool, right? Obviously, great skill that you can learn, and you can learn to scale up. And I hope to see you on that workshop. And I hope you enjoyed this review of Gazelle. Easy way to make a bit of money. Check out Fiverr if you're looking for some low-hanging fruit. And then I'll see you on the workshop if you're wanting to dream big and earn that real big income. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the workshop. Take care.